Hi guys, we're going to do another alcohol lift card today. I'm just loving this technique. So I've got my piece of Yupo that I used the other day, so don't forget what I said, that you can carry on using it, keep on adding colour to it to take impressions off with your Multifarious card. So again, I'm going to just, let's pop some colours down. And then some alcohol blending solution. And let's get some movement going on. And then we'll just use our dry now. It's not quite dry, so I'm just going to add a little bit more colour now. Colours just explode, don't they? As soon as you put that alcohol blending solution on, they just all start spreading. Okay, so I'm going to just dab a little bit of, the blending tool over the top, and you can see how it's all sort of starting to break up. I'm going to dab that, stop it spreading any further. And then what other colours shall we use? I think we'll use just a little bit of stream as well. And let's put a little bit more green in. The patterns that you can get are just amazing. You can just keep on playing and adding to them, and they just keep changing all the time. They're just so much fun to work with, they really are. Okay, I'm going to leave that there, and you can see what a lovely effect that gives us. I'm going to quickly dry it down. And then I'm going to grab a piece of card, and again I'm going to just pop the alcohol blending solution, the alcohol lift ink at the top, and then I'm just going to drag that over the top. I wouldn't do it too many times because it starts dragging, so we don't want that. I'm going to pop that over the top, smooth that over, and let's see what we've got. Wow, again, another fabulous background. I can't actually stop doing these now. They're so much fun. So I'm just going to use a couple of stamps here that I've chosen. I'm going to use one of our cat stamps and the butterflies and some flowers. I think it'll work quite nicely with this kind of background, being such a sort of pretty pastel background. It's sort of springtime. So okay, let's ink up. We're going to ink up our cat in the pine cone, but we're going to put a little bit of black in there as well. I'm trying not to use black too much on these cards because they're such a sort of pastel pretty background. I think black can be a little bit harsh sometimes. So I'm just going to add a little bit of black. Let's see how that comes out. And there we go. So it's not quite black. It's almost like a very dark brown actually. Okay, so I'm going to ink up now our flowers. These are our orchids. So and the colour we're going to be inking up in, we'll do a combination of colours I think, just to complement the background. So some very tall flowers. And then let's ink up in the monarch. Put the right lids on, Trace. Okay. And I think I'll do another one actually. Now I'm looking at it. Let's ink up, take off, and then there we go. So we're going to ground the cat now. So we're just going to tear some paper, and then using a smoothie we're going to ink up in the Warm Breeze. And then just take that over the edge there. And that will just ground everything. And now some words. I'm going to go back to the Warm Breeze on this. So inking up. And now I think finally we'll have some, I think I'll just put some butterflies somewhere. Okay. So inking up in the Warm Breeze, I'm just going to dot a few of our lovely little butterflies around in varying colours. And this one is in Monarch. It's a lovely colour. And then again in Warm Breeze, one of my favourite colours actually this, it's a stunning colour. And there we go. Okay, I'm needing some stars now. So let's see what colours we've got. Let's bring in this one, Paradise. Of course you can use any colours you like. You don't have to stick to the colours I'm using. And there we go. So I'm going to pop a little bit of colour around the edge now, and I'm going to use the Monarch. If I can find my smoothie. There we go. Okay, we only need a little, not too much. Okay, and now I'm going to use my copper pen, and I'm just going to go along following some of the lines on the orchids. And our glue pen. So we're just going to add a little bit of glitter. So I'm just going to follow the line on the ground. and just dot upwards. Like so, and then choose no glitter. I think we'll use the turquoise. I think that will go quite nicely, and we're just going to sprinkle that over the top. Tap that off, and there we have another really pretty card, and it reminds me of spring actually, looking at those colours. Well, thanks for joining me again, guys. I've really enjoyed doing the demos, and I hope that you've enjoyed watching them. Thanks so much for your support. See you again very soon. Bye for now.